Your non-stick pans are releasing toxic forever chemicals into your food. And that's just one of 5 cooking mistakes that are secretly causing chronic inflammation in your body. You think you're being healthy by cooking at home, but you might be accidentally creating inflammatory compounds that contribute to chronic disease. Registered dietitians just revealed 11 simple cooking changes that can transform your meals from inflammatory to healing. Some of these will shock you, like why your plastic utensils are literally poisoning your food and why that perfectly charged steak is triggering systemic inflammation. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to make every meal you cook actively fight inflammation instead of causing it. Here's what most people don't realize. Cooking at home is healthier than eating out, but you might be accidentally creating inflammatory compounds that contribute to chronic disease. From your cookware to your techniques, everything can either fight inflammation or cause it. Mistake number 1. Your non-stick cookware is poisoning you. Those convenient non-stick pans are releasing toxic, forever chemicals called PFAS directly into your food, especially when scratched or overheated. These chemicals cause systemic inflammation. Switch to stainless steel, cast iron, or ceramic cookware immediately. Mistake number 2. You're creating inflammatory compounds with high heat. That perfectly charred food creates inflammatory compounds called AGEs and HAAs that directly damage your body. Minimize the charge and use gentler methods like baking, air frying, steaming, or slow cooking instead. Mistake number 3. Your plastic utensils are leaching microplastics. Every time you use plastic cooking utensils, they leach microplastics and forever chemicals into your food. Research shows these particles circulate in your bloodstream and cause inflammation. Switch to stainless steel, wood, or ceramic utensils. Mistake number 4. You're missing anti-inflammatory powerhouses. You're wasting opportunities to add healing compounds to every meal. Garlic, onion, ginger, and turmeric aren't just flavor enhancers. They're medicine. When you saute them in healthy fats on low heat, you activate compounds like allicin and curcumin that actively fight inflammation. Mistake number 5. Your food storage is contaminating your leftovers. Even after cooking the perfect anti-inflammatory meal, storing it in plastic containers undoes your work. Those containers leach chemicals into your food over time. Upgrade to glass, stainless steel, or ceramic storage. Here's the quick fixes that make every meal healing. Replace saturated fats with olive oil and avocado oil. Use anti-inflammatory spices before reaching for salt. Replace added sugars with whole fruit. Add vegetables at the end of cooking to preserve nutrients. Choose gentle cooking methods that preserve antioxidants instead of destroying them. The most important thing to understand is that chronic inflammation is at the root of most modern diseases: heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and autoimmune conditions. Every single meal you cook is either contributing to this inflammation or helping to heal it. These aren't just cooking tips, they're disease prevention strategies. Small changes in how you cook can make a massive difference in your health over time. Switch out your non-stick pans, use gentle cooking methods, choose anti-inflammatory ingredients, and ditch the plastic. Your body will thank you for every single change you make, and you'll start feeling the difference in your energy, recovery, and overall well-being. If these cooking secrets shocked you, wait until you see the foods that are silently destroying your gut health.